friends, in today's quick learning, we will go through linked dropdown using data validation and the indirect function in Excel. So here we have set of data like city Delhi. Under this city we have different location like north, south, east and west and some places from those zones. So as per the zone like north, when I click under north, I should get places of north, south, places of south and so on. So for that we will go with data validation. But before that, we will assign names to these zones. To assign the name, you will select the range. Okay. We will select the north zone. And to assign the name, you will click under cell name box. Here you have formula bar. This one. Just before formula bar, you have this name box. You will write your name as north. And to save this name, you will do enter. So north is saved. Like if I click anywhere, you will unable to see that. But when I select that range, you can see the name. Okay. Same goes with south. Let's select the empty one too, because when we add in future the additional places, then it will capture automatically. So here we will keep name as south, enter, and then select east range and name it as east. Same letter which is mentioned here, and west, select the west range and name it as west. Okay, how we will find out it's been named? Just select after making the complete selection, you can see the name, go for east and west. Same way you can see those names here too. Okay, now coming to this zone, here we want list. Like when we click, I need north, south, east, west. So that list is already here. You will click under data, same, and data validation. Click under list and select the list. So list is already there. You will just select north, south, east, west and enter. List is selected and OK. So here we will get the zone. Now as per the zone, I need the places for that zone. For that, we will create a dependent or linked dropdown in Excel using data validation, and we will add the indirect option. Indirect, like it will show you the dependent where the data is related to that value. Okay, so click under this cell C6 and go to data validation. Same list, but in list you want here equal to, I need the value of this. If we select this, I will be getting only this value. Just make enter. See, I will be getting only this value. But we need the entire list. For that, I'm deleting this formula. Go to validation. Okay. Go to that same list. Instead of selecting that cell, remove this. Okay. We will go with formula called as indirect. It will give you the dependent where the value is connected. Indirect. Let me just change. Okay, indirect, and value is what? B6. Close the bracket and enter. So when we change state north, we can see places of north. Okay, when we change any other zone like west, we can see places from west. In this way we can use link drop down list and use for your data validation. Thank you for watching.